Kisii Senator Richard Onyonka has declared his intention to leave the ODM party. The senator, who has been a vocal member of the Orange Party, has said he will join Jubilee Party, led by former Interior Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiang'i and former President Uhuru Kenyatta.
Anakuja kushuhudia chama cha Jubilee mnafanya nini, kwa sababu mimi niko opposition na nyinyi mko opposition. Kwa wale ambao hamnijui, mimi ni senator wa Kisii ambaye alichaguliwa na ODM, lakini hivi karibuni mimi naingia Jubilee. Na tumesema hawatauza chama ya Paba, so hiyo wachia sisi tutamanage.
Senator Onyonka was speaking during the launch of a Jubilee office in Nakuru County. His move from ODM comes at a time that the party that was founded by the late Raila Odinga is facing internal strife.
And finally, I want to say, mimi kazi yangu nitafanya na nyinyi wakati tumeanza campaign proper. Nitakuja niwaambie here, you are not going to become a member of parliament, an MCA, or even indeed our presidential candidate because he wants to go and steal more land, he steals more money, he eats money from SHA, he takes over everything, he flies in helicopters. Honorable Fred, keep on using your small cars around here. Wachana na mambo ya ndege. So nikimaliza nasema mahali tunaenda, Mungu awabariki, mfanye kazi nzuri, and I'll tell you this. Nasikia mtu anauliza ati Jubilee, nasikia mnasema Jubilee. Mbona mnasema hivyo? Nitapiga nisikie vile mna respond, si ndio? Jubilee! Jubilee! Thank you.
Progressive voices in the party, led by Edwin Sifuna, Siaya Governor James Orengo, as well as Iala MP Winnie Odinga, have opposed the party's dalliance with President William Ruto's UDA. Elvis Omondi, Truth FM News Point.